or what?
Why don't you do a photo or some video?
This thing's almost out of battery.
And because Tim's little tweeting probably sounds better.
Huh?
Take a video, you have permanent record of Tim trying to tweet back to the boat.
What?
Don't scare him, Tim.
Oh my god! Oh my god! And then the pigeon comes. He's gonna come around me. The pigeon comes behind.
Is the bird still up there?
He's up there. Yeah.
Is he still on the ledge down there?
No, he's on the roof.
Oh dang it, I was recording nothing?
And you got a pigeon there. There's a pigeon.
Hey! If that's a pigeon, he really must be gassed or scared.
Is that one? That's Tim's pigeon.
Well, I think he's gonna cut part of the other one by clapping. And he's gone up the ledge.
Two of them join up together and float away. Two things by the time they come up with an idea.